Welcome to the Atosa trademark cooking series. Today I'm going to show you how to utilize the multi-timer cooking process and how to program the combi to produce perfect results for multiple items being cooked in the same environment at different times. This process can be utilized for numerous food products. Roasting at 480 and 50% humidity can be completed in the combi to promote browning and searing of the product being cooked. In this video, I'll be preparing all the food products together. The product results will be very moist and tender without transfer flavor. This setting can be executed for an entire shift, enabling the end user to add and remove items that have been cooked throughout the shift, each with its own timer. Let's walk through the control panel to show you how to program the AEC combi for the best results. First, we'll need to turn the unit on. Press the switch to the on position. The screen will then turn on, and now we are in the operations mode. The screen is user-friendly and gives easy access to Combi Smart Touch icons. Select the shelf timing icon on the middle right of the display. Now, select Multi-Timer on top. Now we are in the settings page for the multi-timers. First, we need to set the temperature by pressing the temperature display and inputting our desired temperature. Currently, our desired temperature is 480 degrees. Then we press the check mark, and we're back to the screen to program. Next, we're going to set our humidity to 50%. We select the humidity level, we go up and down to select, and then the check mark to return to our settings. Now we're going to set our fan speed to 70%. We press on the fan. We go up or down for settings on fan speed to 70%, the check mark to return, and now the unit is ready for us to begin the cooking process. Here, we'll hit the start button and the unit will start heating up. We want to make sure the unit has an opportunity to preheat. After the unit preheats, we're ready to begin cooking. We're going to prepare seared salmon and also some roasted asparagus. Now, we're going to open the unit. We're going to load our salmon. Now that we've loaded the salmon, we've loaded it onto shelf 2. We're going to press the shelf 2 timer, and then we're going to add more time to the timer to 15 minutes. We're going to press the check mark, and it's going to return to our display. Now you can see here on our display, it's counting down from 15 minutes. Now our salmon is at about 4 minutes. We're going to go ahead and add our asparagus. Asparagus will probably take about 6 minutes, but while it's still cooking, we'll plate up our salmon. We'll select the timer where we put our asparagus, and we'll put in 6 minutes. Hit the check mark, takes us back to the display. Then when the salmon's done, we'll pull it out, start the plating process. When our asparagus is done, we'll pull it out and finish the plating. Once the timer is complete, a message will show up completed on the shelf that's done cooking. The unit will beep and the unit's ready to have the food removed. Open the door slowly, let the steam out, and then remove your product. We can then start to plate our product. So here we have our salmon, and now we're going to pull out our asparagus. Here you'll see that we have a perfectly seared piece of salmon and asparagus. Nice, moist, no transfer of flavor. Remember, the multi-timer setting can be set at a time of a la carte service and then utilized throughout the day. The unit will continue to run. Having several timers helps maintain food quality without overcooking and saving you on food cost. Thank you for watching this training video, and visit atosausa.com for more resources.